Welcome to WTRD News. I'm your host, Joaquin Fitzpatrick. Toyota announces an unprecedented extended warranty covering the paint on many of their vehicles, but not the Tacoma. Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. If you haven't subscribed already and you love everything Tacoma related, go ahead and subscribe now. Today I'll just be making a quick video going over the extended warranty for the Blizzard Pearl and Super White paint that covers a few Toyota vehicles, of course not the Tacoma, that goes back as far as 2008. I will go ahead and put a list of the covered vehicles up on the screen right here. If you do have one of these vehicles, you should have received a letter from Toyota already telling you what you need to do. Now, obviously, my truck is not white, and even though this is a vinyl wrap, it is a black truck underneath, so I haven't had any paint issues myself. But I feel like on the forums, social media, Facebook, Tacoma World, you name it, I feel like I see more often than not people bringing up issues with the white color on their Tacomas for the second gens, obviously, and even some of the third gens, I think. So this video really is for you guys. I want to hear what your thoughts are on this about not being included, none of the Tacoma models, second or third gen, in the list where the extended paint warranty is covering these paint defects. Are you ticked about not being covered? Has your white Tacoma had paint issues? If so, comment below, let me know what they are.
Share with the group.
And as far as I can tell, this paint warranty does cover vehicles in both the United States and Canada. Now, even if your vehicle does qualify to get paint corrected from Toyota with this condition, it's not like they're going to repaint the entire vehicle. It's just affected panels. And I quote, "The covered condition may occur when sunlight over time degrades the adhesion between the factory applied paint primer coat layer and the base metal electro deposition layer, causing the paint to peel from the metal body part."
Whatever that means.
So it looks like just sun-related damage is covered by this warranty. So if you have paint chips from gravel or rocks on the road or off-roading, or even maybe from salt getting up under there and causing a little corrosion, those conditions are not covered by this warranty. Now the good news is this warranty will extend through 2022. So if you do have one of those vehicles that is from 2008, that is a coverage for 14 years, which brings into the unprecedented part of the warranty coverage, since the industry norm seems to be about 8 years for paint coverage in these type of circumstances. So good on Toyota for doing that. However, like most of you, I would prefer if Toyota just got to the root of the problem and solved these issues, whether it's paint like this or whatever they're doing to the undercoating of the Tacomas where you have the rust issue on the frame. Go to the source of the problem and fix that. Extending the warranty is certainly nice, but just try to eliminate instances like this in the future by fixing the problem at the source. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Quick one today. Again, let me know in the comments below if you do have a white Tacoma that has any kind of paint issues, physical damage from like rocks and stuff from off-roading. Obviously that's pretty much your fault. There's nothing Toyota can do about that. But if you feel like you have one of these delamination effects from sun exposure over time and the fact that Toyota is not including any model or year Tacoma on this list, let me know what your thoughts are on that. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.